Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can change theme on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to change themes on Windows 11, just click on Start button, then click on Settings, and here click on Personalization, and here you will find Themes option. Simply click on Themes. So these are the default themes which are available on your Windows 11 computer. You can select any of these themes. If you want more themes for Windows 11, then here we have an option called Get More Themes from Microsoft Store. Simply click on Browse Themes option and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store page. So here we have our themes. From here you can select any of your favorite theme. Say for example, I want to install this National Park theme. I will simply select this and I will simply click on Get, and here simply click on Open. And here on the themes option you will find your theme. Let me minimize this. Now to apply this theme, simply select this theme, and here you can see that themes has been applied to Windows 11. So this way you can change themes on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now, see you next video.